Hey, this is Giovanni from MPG Motorcars out of Stuart, Florida. And today we've got a 1986 Porsche 911 Targa with 25,000 original miles on it. Just want to give you a full tour of the car today, show you all the good and the bad. It's not much bad. Just want to give you a quick spin around the car. It's a special order paint. It's custom paint by Specimen. It's L9999 code. So it looks white probably in this video. It's more of a dove gray. If I park a white 911 right next to it, you'll definitely see the color difference. But it's beautiful. It's a unique color for sure. Pretty sure it's one of one. But let's go around the car and let's point out any nicks, chips, scratches, dents, whatever it may be. I guess we'll start with the hood. Okay, with the hood, all good here. This is original paint on the car. Nothing's been retouched up. Let's see, it's a bug. We've got some minor little scraping there. Don't know what happened there. Tiny little one there. This is bug guts. That's actually another little rock chip and another little rock chip there. I didn't have the car touched up because I want to be able to say it's all original paint, and it's, you know, if a buyer comes around and wants to get that stuff done, I can absolutely assist them with that. I've got a great paint shop that I work with and they do flawless work, so if that's an issue, we can get that resolved. No big deal. There's a little scrape on the mirror. Looks like somebody wasn't paying attention when they packed out of a garage or something, I'm guessing. It's the driver's door. There's absolutely nothing on the driver's door. Nothing here. Oh, that's a rock chip. A little rock chip there. Going all around. Ah, another rock chip. Going around here, and here's the most noticeable ones. Again, some stone chips, rock chips, whatever you want to call them. Just this little section here. Not much going on there. Going around the car. Tail looks great. All good underneath here. All good. Good. Coming around here. I see nothing. All good, all clean. Nothing on this side. It's wet. I had just washed the car. Typical little minor rock chips there. Keep in mind, this is an original 25,000 mile car. It's a bug. That looks good. I'm going to show you the Targa top. Very typical on these Targa tops, the paint becomes thin. Don't know why, don't know what paint they used, but it becomes thin all the time. And there's a little tiny, you can see it right here. Just showing how thin the paint is there. And again, this can be touched up, this can be repainted, the whole Targa top, but I want to leave that for the buyer to make that decision, whether you want to keep it original or you want to touch it up. That's completely up to you. Targa top is in beautiful condition, no wear whatsoever. Let's go inside. Driver's door, power windows, does not have power locks. There is a little bit of wear, this gasket, this little tiny weather stripping around here, I guess from people getting in and out, dragging their feet over the thing, chewed it up. The other side, I believe, is perfectly fine, but we'll take a look at that. There is the VIN identification. And let's see, this was, looks like October of '85 is when she was built. Interior's excellent condition. There's not a crack, obviously, on the dashboard with 25,000 miles. Every button, every gauge looks new. There's no wear on anything. Everything works and slides as it should. Sorry, the sun is like screwing up the camera. 25,372 miles. Sorry for the horrible video here. So I'll give you a good idea of what the car looks like. And if you have any special requests, you want me to take a picture of something in particular and video it, do that. It's got all of the books. Unfortunately, there's no records with the car because the previous owner was another Porsche enthusiast, and he did his own oil changes. This car was a European delivery car, so here's all the paperwork about when the car was delivered, the registration for Europe, when it was taken delivery. There is an aftermarket radio with the book. I do not have the original radio. I have all the manuals. Wheel lock is in the glove box as well. Let's go around to the other side. Helps if I unlock it. Okay, here's the other weather stripping. This one's great. There's no issues on this weather stripping at all. And again, the seats. There's no wear on these seats. Nothing at all. Here's the door panel. And on the back seats, these things never really get used. Perfect condition. Perfect condition. Engine compartment. Let's take a peek at that. Honest, clean engine. It's going in for its routine oil service, so I'll have that done. But other than that, she runs great. Let me start her up for you. Any questions, feel free to give me a buzz. My phone number is area code 772-999-6494, and I'm at extension 702. My name is Giovanni, one of the owners of the dealership. All right, have a great day, guys.